So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 4th till the 10th of May 2026. Okay, these are general messages. They might or might not resonate with you. Please keep them as general messages only, as the guidance only. Use them wisely. Okay, for personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Master Class 2, links are given below. So, let's start. So, the overall energy for Taurus people for this week, let's see the overall energy for Taurus people for this week. 3 profile reasons to celebrate. You guys are going to get some kind of reason to celebrate. You guys are going to have a very happy-go-lucky, very beautiful kind of environment surrounding you. A community of friends, a group of people, or a community of friends is going to be there with you to celebrate something really good, maybe your birthday. Happy announcement regarding relationships or children. You guys are going to get some kind of happy announcement regarding relationship or children, maybe somebody getting pregnant, or something related to your relationship status is going to shift or change or become very positive. So this week is all about celebrations and connecting with your friends and creating really happy-go-lucky kind of energies around you. Let's see the messages per day from 4th till the 10th. 4th, we have the star card, a dream come true, believe in yourself, the end of a difficult situation. Some kind of manifestation is coming to fruition here, here Taurus. Some kind of dream of yours can come true. Believe in yourself, believe in the universe, believe in the divine. Something that you might not be expecting to work out in your favor will start working out in your favor, but you have to believe in yourself and the divine and the process. The end of a difficult situation. So this day marks some kind of end of a difficult situation in your life. 5th, we have the 3 of Ariel. Do what you love. Follow your heart and do what you love and do what you feel is right for you. A time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavors. The time has come for you guys to connect with your creative side, to connect with your artistic side, and there is going to be quite good growth in that area of your life. Working with others in a cooperative manner. If you guys will be working with others, it's going to be quite cooperative, and people are going to cooperate with you in a very positive way. I don't see any jealousy, I don't see any negative environment. I do see people cooperating with you and making things work out in a very beautiful and positive way. So we have 4th, 5th, 6th, we have the 9 of Gabriel. Stay determined and move forward. Okay, keep on moving forward no matter how many obstacles or challenges you guys are facing in a particular direction of your life. Stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility. Now anything can be possible, Taurus. You can achieve something really good, and if you are not going to be distracted, there are very high chances of you guys achieving something really good on this particular day. Environmental activism. If you guys are into environmental activism or volunteering or something like that, then you can go for that, because it's going to keep your energies very grounded. Okay, oh, good for you. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, we have the 7 of Michael. There is a better course of action available to you. You might be stuck on some kind of idea. It's like my way or highway kind of a thing, or because of your experience or your belief system, you might be thinking that something is like this only, or a situation can be handled only only in a particular way only. Working alone may not be the best answer right now. You can take help from somebody, you can ask for help from somebody, you can ask for support from somebody. Working alone may not be the best answer for you. Review all the details before you guys are going to sign any kind of contract or documents or start any kind of new thing. Review all the details and all the pros and cons and everything before you guys are going to do anything in a particular direction, especially related to paperwork or documentations or something like that. Okay, so we have 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 8th, we have the 5 of Gabriel. A challenge you can resolve. Withdraw from the drama of others. Have patience with yourself and those around you. There might be some kind of challenge that might arise in your life in some way, and you guys have this capacity to resolve it. Withdraw from the drama of others. Don't be a part of any kind of drama, especially if it is directly not related to you. Have patience with yourself and those around you. Patience is the key here, Taurus. Don't lose your mind, don't lose your patience, and you guys will be able to get something done in a proper way, in a positive way, if you guys are going to have faith and the patience. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th, we have the change your life, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you that is going to offer you freedom. Break free of procrastination. If you guys are continuously living in some kind of procrastination or lazy kind of energies, break free from procrastination. do the important things that you should be doing on this particular day only, because it might lead to some kind of issues afterwards if not taken care of right now only, right? Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Okay, some kind of like change is going to bring some kind of beautiful opportunity to you guys, only if you are not going to resist the changes. It's very, very difficult for Taurus people to accept the changes, to embrace the changes, but keep on reminding yourself that change is the only constant, and you have to accept the changes for your own growth and expansion and happiness. Okay, so we have 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th of May. We have the Queen of Michael. You know exactly what to do. You guys know what exactly you guys have to do in a particular situation. The benefit of experience. You guys have gone through this kind of shitty thing before as well in your life. A time for your career rather than relationship. Focus on your career right now rather than your relationship, because right now your career might be going down, or something related to your career is not going well. So instead of focusing too much on the personal thing, like romantic things or relationship things, shift your focus right now on the career thing. If that's not going well, if that's going well, then ignore this message. Then you should just like do whatever you feel is right for you, obviously, right? Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Taurus. Queen of Raphael, follow your heart. Your heart is going to help you, to lead you to that person, that energy, that situation that's actually good for you. A love for home and family. Your love, your bond, your connection with your home and family is going to be really, really beautiful. Trustworthy psychic informations. You guys are going to get some kind of trustworthy psychic information, and you should listen to your intuition. You should listen to that information. Use that information wisely. Something really good and meaningful might come up in your intuition. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.